So we bought the Mellcom Hardtop Gazebo for our back deck because our back deck gets completely saturated by sun in the morning until about 1:32 o'clock. Came in 2 packages, pretty heavy. Shipping was $200. I guess not bad for something that is as heavy as it was. Took us about 4 hours to put it together. Just me and my wife. She's about 5 foot tall. So we did it with just a couple standing stools and 1 6-foot ladder. The only thing about this, we did the polyurethane top. If you're looking for complete shade, this is not the one that you want. The polyurethane membrane stuff that they have up here, I guess it does block some of the UV rays, but it does not give off a lot of shade. So if you're looking for something that does shade, I would get the actual metal slats. We're actually probably going to have to buy one of the canopy sails, rectangle canopy sails, actually lay on top of this thing to actually add shade to it. Because right now I'm underneath this thing and I don't have a lot of hair on my head and my head is extremely hot. You can tell if you look at the citronella candle that's sitting here, you can see it's actually wet because it's actually melting from the heat underneath this canopy. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty cool. It is cool that, that it's got the sheets on the side. We haven't put up the mosquito net yet. But the sheets are cool. They go all the way around. You can actually close the entire thing if you wanted to. It does have the 2 hooks, one on each side, and then the little bracket on the inside. Definitely we're going to have to run a fan to this with an extension cord. Do like a drop fan with a hook for sure, because it's very hot under here. It does protect us a smidge from what we were trying to get rid of, but it's still not doing 100% what we want it to do. Let me try to get you a better view from outside of my deck. All right. Overall, it's pretty cool, but like I said, if you're looking for complete shade in an area, this is not going to give that to you. I would do the metal slats instead. But that is, if we wanted to get the metal slats, that was going to be like an extra $300 or $400. So I could pay $50 and get a 20x16 sail and put it on top of this so it can just lay on top of this and give us some shade. So like I said, this is the Mellcom 12x13 or 10'x13, sorry. Pretty cool. Like I said, it only took about 4 hours to put it together. There's a few things that you can do kind of in the garage to put a few pieces together before you put it in whatever location you want to put it in. And from there, it's kind of just pretty easy as far as the instructions go. Didn't take a lot, but hope this helps. Bye.